Lumberg Automation is a leading provider of high-performance networking components and machine connectivity products for industrial control systems. Our comprehensive portfolio of physical networks, field bus infrastructure components, and on-machine connectivity systems can be customized to meet the demands of your customer's application, providing optimum reliability and performance, quality standards, and fair pricing. Lumberg Automation offers numerous advantages. We comply with the highest quality standards, offering more serviceable and increasingly reliable solutions. The breadth of our portfolio provides customers with everything they need to control their system applications. We reduce engineering and design time with simplified wiring, easy retrofit and expansion, and lower overall system costs, ease installation and maintenance, and reduce downtime. The vertical manufacturing market buckets, Lumberg Automation sells solutions for machine building and process applications. Machine building subverticals include automotive, food and beverage, consumer packaged goods, and material handling. Process subverticals include oil and gas, chemical processing, and water and wastewater. Lumberg Automation has products in the following categories: industrial connectors such as power, sensor, actuator, and data connectors, cordsets such as single-ended or double-ended ruggedized cordsets, and I/O systems such as Lion-X I/O Link masters and hubs. Lumberg Automation fulfills customers' unique needs with a broad portfolio and high-standard products.